kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my video series on Android app development using Android Studio in Kotlin. So guys, in this video we will learn about RecyclerViews in Android Studio. Okay, so basically we will write an application and we will display a RecyclerView with some items here, and we will learn a lot of things like the array list and how we can send this array list to our adapter, and we will also learn about the data class that we are going to use. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your main activity.xml, and in here first of all we will have a toolbar. So we will have it like match parent and wrap the content, and we will set the ID of this toolbar, and we will assign a background color. So after this we are going to initialize our recycler view. So here we can say it, the width and height will be image parent, height will also be image parent, right? And we will set the ID first of all, and then we can say it like layout below, and it will be below the toolbar. Okay. After this we have to go to our main activity.jkt file, and in here first of all we will initialize let init var, and we can name it as rv, and we have the recycler view. Alright, and here we will initialize the recycler view class, and after this we are going to initialize it. So we can say rv equal to find view by id r.id.recyclerView, and then we have to initialize an array list. So for that we can say variable array list equal to array list, and will be of type string, right? And after this we are going to say it like rv dot layout manager, and it will be equal to linear layout manager, and we have to pass this. Okay, so after this now we have to create first of all the adapter of our class. So for this let me create a new Kotlin class, and we have to rename it as my adapter, right? So we have this my adapter class, and in here first of all we have to initialize the constructor. So for this we can use the variable array list. This will be of type array list, and it will be string, and we have to extend this adapter class, so we use this colon, and then we can write RecyclerView dot adapter. Let's import the class, and inside this we can say my adapter dot my view holder. Okay, so here now we have to create this class, create class my view holder inside the my adapter class. Okay, so we will use that later, and here we have to implement the methods. Implement the members, so we have these three members here. Alright, let me just remove everything here and let me paste it below this one. Alright, and this my view holder class, the error is coming because we have to give the view object here. So we can say item view and view, right? And let me just Alright guys, so here I have added the brackets, and now there is still an error, and here because we have to complete this class first. Okay, so here we are going to extend it, and we are going to extend it with RecyclerView dot view holder, and in here we have to pass on this item view. So this is now it is now complete, and after this every error has been removed. So we have to come to our own create view holder, and in here first of all we have to use val view equal to layout inflator dot from, and we have to say parent dot context, and then we can say dot inflate, and what we are going to inflate is we have to create a file. So we can say item design, right, and then we can pass on the parent, and we can say false, right, and let's create a layout file. So we go to new resource layout file, and we will rename it as item underscore design, and change the constant layout to relative layout. Okay, so it's done, and after this we have to return. So we can say return my view holder, and in here we have to pass on the view object here. Alright, and here inside our get item count we only need to send the size of the count of the array list. So here since we have the array list, and we can say dot size, right, and inside our own bind view holder we are going, okay, so before that let's design the item design here. Alright, so here we will go to XML file and rename it as wrap content, and then we have to do it like text view, and we can say it to be this match parent, and the height will be wrap content, and then we can say like ID, the ID will be txt1, and we can say it like margin, it will be 20 dp, and we will say text size, it will be 24 sp, and text style will be bold. Okay, and instead of 20 we can say it to be 10, right. So after this we have completed the code, and here we are getting an error because, okay, so here we have to return. Okay, so here we have now the text view. So here what we are going to do is we are first of all here going to use value, and here we have the text view, and we can initialize the text view here equal to item view dot find view by id r dot id dot text 1. Alright, so here inside our own bind view holder class we are going to say like value my str equal to array list of, and here we will pass on the position, and here we can simply say holder dot text view dot text equal to my str, or we can say dot set text, and here we can pass on the my string here, right. So our code is complete. You can see we have a very simple code here, and after this we are going to back to our main activity.xml file, and in here first of all we are going to use the array list to populate the array list. So here we can simply say use a for loop. So for this we can say for a in 1 to 20. So here we can say array list dot add, and here we can say item underscore plus a, right? And after this we are going to use or initialize our adapter. So here we can say my value adapter equal to my adapter, and in here we have to pass on the array list, right? And finally we can say rv recyclerView dot adapter equal to adapter. So that is it, guys. So here we can now run our application, and let's see if it works or not. Let me connect my phone. Alright guys, so here now the application has been installed and it's working fine. So let me show you here. Let me run it again. Okay, so here you can see the recycler view is successfully displayed inside our application. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.